In this lesson, you will identify multiples of some numbers, learn why two numbers have some of the same multiples, learn the definition of common multiples, and make organized lists to find common multiples. So let's remember what multiples are. A multiple is the result of multiplying a whole number by another whole number. Any whole number has an infinite list of multiples. For example, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and we can imagine lists to go on and on. Any two numbers have multiples that are the same. For example, the numbers 2 and 3 share multiples such as 6, 12, 18, etc. So what are common multiples? Common multiples are numbers that are shared as multiples between two or more other numbers. We can visualize this using a tape diagram. For example, 2, the multiples of 2 can be laid out as the lengths of 2 up through, say, 12 or beyond. And then if we were to compare that to a tape diagram with multiples of 3, we see that the first length that they have in common is 6. And that means that 6 is a common multiple of 2 and 3. And the next common multiple is 12. We can also do this with an organized list where we lay out the multiples of 2 and the multiples of 3. And we look for numbers that are the same, such as 6 and 12. And these are known as common multiples. So let's remember, a multiple is the result of multiplying a whole number by another whole number. Any number has an infinite number of multiples, and two numbers have some multiples that are the same. When two numbers have the same multiple, it is called a common multiple. Now in this assignment, you have two parts. The first part is a true and false with 3 statements. The first statement is all composite numbers are even. Is that true or is that false? And you have to say why. If you don't remember what composite numbers are, you can look them up on Google or somewhere, or you can also look at a previous lesson. The next statement is all prime numbers are odd. Again, if you don't remember what prime numbers are, you can look that up. The third statement, a multiple of a number is always greater than that number. All 3 of these statements require you to write a justification. So where it says because, you have to say why you know that. The second part is a word problem about Maria shopping for party supplies. It says Maria is shopping for party supplies. She finds that paper plates come in packages of 8, napkins come in packages of 10, and paper cups come in packages of 12. And the question is, what is the least number, meaning the smallest number, what is the least number of packages of plates, of napkins, and of cups she has to buy so that she has the same number of each item for her party? And you have a choice of just typing in your answer here and or doing it on paper pencil, taking a photo and copying that into this box. Good luck.